You've probably seen processes like these before, but most people have no idea what's actually happening. This is machine Autox. Let's uncover the secrets behind them. Here's the part most people never notice. This automated flyer winding machine precisely wraps copper coils onto electric motor rotors, instantly fusing them to ensure maximum electromagnetic efficiency. That might look simple, but there's more happening here. What you're seeing is the precision manufacturing of hyper-realistic silicone display dolls. Instead of standard plastic molding, liquid medical-grade silicone is carefully cast into massive fiberglass molds. Technicians then meticulously transplant natural hair and hand-apply micro layers of pigment to mimic authentic skin textures. That might look simple, but there's more happening here. What you're seeing is the transformation of raw bamboo stalks into heavy-duty cutting boards. Technicians soften the stalks using extreme steam pressure, allowing heavy industrial rollers to flatten the curved cylinders into dense, rigid sheets. Multiple layers are then cross-laminated under immense heat, creating a rock-hard surface that is completely warp-resistant. It may seem ordinary, but the mechanism behind finishing custom-colored pencils is fascinating. High-speed automated sorters systematically align and feed the raw barrels into a clear shrink-wrapping station. A precise thermal blade instantly cuts and shrinks protective film over each individual pencil, creating a seamless, sleek exterior before automated trays package them for transport. The interesting part starts right here. Technicians pour liquid silicone into a fiberglass setup to mold a hyper-realistic doll head. After curing, they hand-install custom glass eyes, apply realistic makeup layers, and implant individual hair strands into the scalp for a lifelike finish. The interesting part starts right here. This massive automated batch fryer flash fries thousands of snacks simultaneously, using a giant hydraulic mesh basket to guarantee a perfectly uniform, crispy crunch. Here's the part most people never notice. This assembly line mechanically presses heavy-duty steel gears and motor rotors into rugged casings, finishing high-torque electric drills with industrial grease. At first, this seems like pure brute force slicing through solid iron. But what you're seeing is a specialized industrial cold saw cutting giant steel rods. Instead of generating extreme friction heat, this circular blade spins at a calibrated speed while continuous coolant prevents microscopic metal warping. At first, this seems like pure brute force assembling massive puzzle pieces. What you're seeing is the final construction of a giant Airbus A380 passenger jet. Heavy-duty overhead cranes precisely lift and align modular fuselage blocks and wings transported from all over Europe, allowing automated structural fastening before the massive Rolls-Royce turbofan engines are mounted. At first, this looks like pure brute force flattening raw metal, but you're watching a heavy-duty stamping press form the precise tines of stainless steel forks. Technicians then utilize high-speed abrasive wheels to grind away rough edges, ensuring perfectly smooth profiles. The interesting part starts right here. Technicians feed raw silicone sheets into a massive two-roll mill, utilizing intense pressure to flawlessly blend pigments into a uniform rubber compound. It may seem ordinary, but the mechanism behind it is fascinating. You're watching the automated production of flexible insulation ventilation ducts. The machine continuously wraps thin plastic film over a high-tensile steel wire coil, instantly heat sealing the edges together to form an airtight, highly durable hose. This process looks chaotic, but it's carefully controlled. What you're seeing is heavy-duty industrial die forging to produce seamless steel rings. A high-tonnage hydraulic hammer punches a hole through a white-hot steel billet, instantly creating a hollow cylinder before rolling machines expand it into a flawless high-strength industrial ring